Good morning children, welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class, you have gone through sum of the zeros and product of the zeros is given means how to find out a polynomial. Is it right? Yes. So, don't get confused about sum of the zeros and zeros. Zeros, when they ask zeros means alpha and beta. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta and product of the zeros means alpha beta. Okay. Now, before entering into the next exercise, actually you are very near to completing of the second chapter, but there very important topic which is completely based on 9th standard division. Because most of the children escape the videos in 9th standard of listening the division part, not only the division part, mostly 50% of the people, I am sure that you did not go through the videos, okay? Because if you have gone through like that, now directly I would have tell exercise 2.3, 2 Romans homework, like that I would have given. Because of you means you failed in practicing 9th standard the textbook division sums, not only division, every sums. You did not show more interest on that. So once again, now don't neglect it. If you neglect it now, next no chance. Direct 10th standard now. At present you are in 10th standard. So don't neglect it, okay children? Listen very carefully. Again I am telling you with the basics only, okay? Because if you know this, now you can do all the sums which is related to the exercise 3. Okay children? Now, how to do division by the given polynomials? Okay? See here it is given 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. You should listen very carefully the instructions children. He has given divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. That means we have to divide this one by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Okay. Now, the very first thing again you have to observe here, by 1 plus 2x plus x square and here 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. First thing you have to observe, what is the highest degree in this? What is the highest degree? X cube. Here cube is the degree, highest degree. Next square, that is 2 is there. Next 1, then constant. So no problem. Okay. Suppose if it is not there in the order, you have to rearrange it in order. Okay, according to the degrees. Is it clear? Now listen very carefully. I am going to tell this type of model 1 sum, and if any term is missing, then also that type of model sums also I am going to teach you. Now see here very clearly here. Now this one you write here extra sums heading and write the first one, this one. In the CW extra sums heading and write the first one. See here solution. And similarly, see this one also, 1 plus 2x plus x square. You can do directly, no problem, but this one also you can arrange in order. Here the degree is 2, that means x square plus 2x plus 1. So you have to write in that way. X square plus 2x plus 1. That means first degree is 2, then 1 power, then constant. Okay, then this is almost what? This is already in order only. 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, here I just drawn for you to do the rough work, because for this sum rough work is more important. This sum is completely based on the rough work only. That too calculation, that means multiplication and addition and subtraction. Be very careful children. Here when you are doing the division, what is the first rule means? Every first term after subtracting of every first term, you should be get cancelled. What is the rule, you know? The first term here, what is the first term here? 3x cube. This should get always cancelled when you are doing subtraction. Okay, see that. Only that is only the logic here. Now, here what is the first term here? X square. What is the first term, children? Listen very carefully, and I am telling you very slowly. Listen very carefully. Take first term here. What is the first term here? X square. That one write in your rough work. That means rough column. X square into dash equals to, what is the first term here? 3x cube. See, I am showing with my fingers. Here the first term is x square. Here the first term is x square. And here the first term is 3x cube. Okay. Now here first term is x square and 3x cube. Just write, see here. X square. What I wrote? This one. Dash equals to 3x cube. Where this 3x cube? This is 1. 3x cube is this one. Now, with what number you multiply x square, you are going to get 3x cube. Is it my question clear? With what number if you multiply, or with what term if you multiply x square, you are going to get 3x cube. Okay, simple. 3 here, cube means 3 are there. Here only 2. So, one more we required. So, 3x. Once check that one. So, 3x into x square is 3x cube. Okay. Now, in the quotient, you have to write here 3x. That means this one. Okay. Now, what you wrote here? 3x. Listen very carefully. What you wrote here? 3x. Okay. That again you write here down. Why? Because whatever you got here, this should be multiplied whole with this. 3x into x square plus 2x plus 1. Then you have to write below this. Okay. Now 3x into x square plus 2x plus 1. 3x into x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now what will you get? 3x into x square, 3x cube, plus 3 2s are 6, x into x square, plus 3x into 1, 3x. Okay. That means how much you got now? 3x cube plus 6x square. You should be very alert while writing from here to here. Why? Because you will copy instead of 6 something 9 like that. So you should be very alert. What is there? The same thing you have to copy. Plus 3x. So do subtraction. Now while doing subtraction, you know what will happen? All the symbols will comes quite opposite symbols. Means all the symbols will change. Here no symbol. That means we have to consider as a plus. Now plus will change it as minus. And here plus minus. And the plus minus. So like this symbols is going to change while doing the subtraction. Now here what happened? Plus 3x cube. Here minus 3x cube. So these two get cancelled. Okay. Now you have to consider for 6 minus only, not plus. Be careful. You have to consider minus symbol for 6, not plus symbol. Now plus symbol you have to forget. So minus 6 and plus 1. So 1 minus and 1 plus what to do? Minus. So 6 minus 1, 5. Minus 5x square. Why I wrote minus 5? Because big number, that means greater number symbol is minus. Now here, again this is minus and this is plus. 1 plus and 1 minus what to do? Subtraction. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1x, or simply you can write x. Now bring down the 5 down here. Okay. Now again same. What? The first term of this. What you get after that reminder? The first term should get cancel always. Again go to x square. First term here. Go to x square. X square into dash equals to, what is the first term here? Minus 5x square Now what we have to fill up that blank with what number? Minus 5. If you clearly observe, minus 5 into x square minus 5x square. That means in the quotient here, you have to write here minus 5. Now again what to do with minus 5? You have to multiply this one. 3x cube, x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. Now multiply minus 5x square, minus into plus minus, 5 2s are 10x, minus into plus minus, 5 1s are 5. So how much you got now? Minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. Now again subtraction. While doing subtraction, what will happen? Symbols will change. So minus will become here plus. If you write like this, at least you can get an idea that we change the symbols. Minus means plus. Minus means plus. Now again these two get cancelled. Now here plus 10x, here minus 1x. So 10 minus 1, 9. Plus symbol. So 9x. Both are positive. Plus 5 plus 5. So plus 10. Okay. Now if you know how to do this, okay children, the next exercise I told you can do very easily. Here see. They'll ask you a question like this. What is the quotient and the remainder? They'll ask you a question. What is the quotient and remainder? Simply you can write here. Quotient is 3x minus 1. Remainder is 9x plus 10. Okay. Is it clear? Next. In this only they may ask you different question. What you know? Is it a factor or not? What they are going to ask? Whether the given means here these two are given, no? They may give you like this is one p of x and this is g of x. Is p of x is and g of x is a factor or not? They'll ask question like that. Then what you have to do? Same division, and if you get the remainder 0, then it is a factor. If you get the remainder 0, it is a factor. If you did not get the remainder 0, it is not a factor. Two type of questions they may ask you. What is that? Find the quotient and the remainder. And whether it is a factor or not, what means? Factor means the remainder should get 0. If you did not get the remainder 0, then simply you can write it is not a factor. If it is 0, you can write it is a factor. Okay? Now, next sum. That means next example sum I am giving you. Okay children, see here, I have given the second example here, that means extra sums. This one also you have to copy down in your CW. Show that by long division that x minus 3 is a factor of 2x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 26x square minus 5x plus 6. That means by doing long division, that means just now what you did that only. So x minus 3, right here x minus 3, in the dividend column write in the dividend column write 2x power 4 plus checking. Are you checking or not? What you have to check? You have to check that the degrees are in order or not. 4, 3, 2, 1 and constant. So it is in perfect position. 3x cube minus 26x square minus 5x plus 6. Again what to do now? Rough column. Okay. Now what is the first term here? X. X into dash equals to, what is the first term here? 2x power 4. So what we have to write now? 2x cube. So 2x cube into x is 2x power 4. So here in the quotient 2x cube. Now 2x cube into this divisor. 2x cube into x minus 3. That is nothing but 2x cube into x is 2x power 4 minus 2 3s are 6 x cube. Okay. Now you got here 2x power 4 minus 6 x cube. Now do subtraction. Symbols will change, minus, and this will become plus. Okay. Now this one and this one get cancelled. Now these both are positive. So 6 plus 3, 9. So plus 9x cube minus 26x square. You should bring down minus 26x square. Okay. Next, again go to the divisor. X into dash equals to 9x cube. The first term of the remainder, 9x cube. 9x cube. So how much you have to write here? 9x square. Okay. 9x square. So if nothing symbol is there means plus. So plus 9x square you have to write here. Now 9x square into x minus 3. 9x square into x minus 3. So 9x square into x is 9x cube minus 9 3s are 27x square. Okay. So 9x cube minus 27x square. Again subtraction. While doing subtraction, symbols will change. Here minus, here plus. Again these two get cancelled. Okay. Now here 1 plus and 1 minus. You have to do subtraction. So 27 minus 26, 1. So 1x square. Okay. Which one? Plus only, because 27 is more. Now bring down minus 5x. Bring down next term minus 5x. Again go to x. X into dash equals to, what you have to get now? X square. So to get x square you have to write here x. Now what you wrote here in the dash? X. That x should be written here. Now again x into x minus 3. So x into x is x square minus 3 into x is 3x. So that is x square minus 3x. Okay. Again subtraction. Symbols will change. Now these two get cancelled. Now this is 1 plus, 1 plus and 1 minus. You have to do subtraction. So 5 minus 3 is 2x and the symbol is minus. Now bring down plus 6. Okay. Now again x into dash equals to minus 2x. That means we can write here minus 2. So write in the quotient minus 2. Now minus 2 into x minus 3. That means whatever you are getting with this into x minus 3. Okay. So minus 2x. Minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6. So how much you got now? Minus 2x plus 6. Again subtraction. So plus and symbol minus. Minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. Plus 6 and minus 6 also get cancelled. So remainder 0. Okay. Then what you can write at last? Therefore, what he has given, show that by the long division x minus 3 is a factor. No? Therefore, x minus 3 is a, don't write side here children. Write down. Okay. At the end you write. X minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube, so 2x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 26x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. At the end you write this one. X minus 3 is a factor of 2x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 26x square minus 5x plus 6. So why I am asking you to do this division means, if any sum is wrong, first they are going to check here. Okay. So at least you did something here right, and by mistake instead of plus you would have copy minus. At least they'll pour some marks. Okay. So for that purpose I am asking you to do the division. And without doing division, it is not that much easy. Because if you are very good in multiplication, no problem. Like this you can multiply 2x into x cube, 2x power 4, like that, so on. But if you do this one, so it will be little bit benefit for you. Understood? Now all of you take out your diary, children. Open your diary and textbook also. Note down your homework here. Maths homework 19/6/21 Saturday. Okay. Exercise 2.3, because Sunday is holiday. So you can do exercise 2.3, first Roman and second Roman. Okay. Both only 6. In this 3, total 6 sums are there. So you can do. If you finish up this, I will finish up 3, 4, 5 very easily. Okay. So exercise 2.3, 1 and 2 sums. So note down this one in your diary. Okay. I think all are maintaining the diary. Who purchased the books from the school, definitely you may get diary. So all of a sudden we may ask you to show the diary also. Okay children. Try to update your CW and classwork book. Soon we are going to call to the school and we can ask you, because we are near to the completion of chapter. So definitely we are going to call to you school. Today you just come and submit your CW. Like 10 members or 20 members children will call them and they have to. But if they are fail in submitting the classwork, as I told you, I am going to cut a few marks. Then and there in front of you only, wow, how many marks I cut, that much I will show you. Okay children, have a nice day children, have a nice weekend also.